Hey everyone, this is Evan here from Round the UK on a tenner a day. One of the questions we get asked all the time is how do you feed 5 on a fiver a day? Well, let me show you. I'm bringing you a new video with cooking with Round the UK on a tenner a day. Today we have some special guests, Mum and Iris. Mum's going to show us how to make a vegan nettle pesto, and Iris is going to show us how to make a raw blackberry, apple and damson crumble. Blackberry.
Oh, my tea.
Yummy. Alright, you got any input to our song? So, what's the best time to plant nettles, Mum?
Well, really, the best time is in spring when they've first just grown through. That's when they're most delicious, most nutritious, and that's what they're like a superfood, really. They're really good for you. Oh, a good bag full. I'm going to fill this whole bag up, and it'll make us 1 jar of pesto.
Great. Hey guys, we just got back from our escapades and we've come back with a bundle of nettles, and on our escapade we met a woman called Jane and her husband Jeff, who gave us a big box of yummy vegetables which we're going to be using to cook with dinner tonight. But to start off with, Mum's going to show us how to make the pesto.
Okay, so I've already started preparing the nettles. I'm snipping the leaves off, just like this, and that gets rid of the tougher stalks. When we've finished all of this pile, we're going to start putting them in the whizzer and then start blitzing them. Right, I'm going to start putting them in the whizzer, using my scissors so I don't get stung. Push them down, nice and compactly. And then we can start to whiz them.
Dad, do you need to whiz this for us?
Yep. Right, whoever sits in the front has the honour of doing the whizzing, because there's an inverter under the dashboard that I fitted that runs a 240. So I'm just going to give it a quick whiz and see how we get on. Right, all whizzed. There we go. I'll pass it back.
Alright,
there you go,
thanks,
mate.
Dad.
Right, we're going to open the whizzer. It's all blitzed. We're going to tip it out and then we can add some more and repeat the process until our whole bowl of nettles is whizzed down like this. Right, let's blitz that lot. I've got another lot to do. Really fresh, homegrown bunch of basil, and we're going to put that in with our nettle pesto. I'm going to put the rest of the nettles in the whizzer now, along with the basil.
Basil!
I've got a handful of sunflower seeds to create a little bit of bite, and I'm just going to quickly blitz them too. So we're going to put the blitzed sunflower seeds in with the nettles, and then because we're making this a vegan pesto, we're going to put some If I could undo the lid. We're going to put a big pinch of chili flakes, just like this.
So you could put cheese in, couldn't you?
You can put cheese in. A lot of pesto has Parmigiano, but we're not going to. We are going to add some chili and lemon, and then some olive oil. Oh, and a bit of salt. Normally, I'd blitz it again, but because our power's a little bit low on our inverter, I'm going to just give it a really, really good stir. If you're not limited on power like we are at this particular moment in time, put it back in the blitzer, whiz it again, and then it'll be a much smoother consistency.
Nice pesto.
That pesto is the best I've made.
No, Mum, that's
Pretty
darn good.
Pretty darn tasty.
So to start with, we're going to chop the apples, pit the damsons, and then together with the blackberries we're going to put them in the pan. So now we've chopped all the fruit up, we're going to put a sprinkling of sugar in, and now we're going to give it a good stir. So now we're just going to add a splash of water, just about an inch or so, just to stew it down. So we're just going to put the lid on. Yep, and then we're just going to put it on the stove, turn it on. So whilst we're letting the fruit stew, we're going to make the topping. So put 2 bananas in, then we're going to add some sugar, and then we're going to cream them together, then we're going to add our oats. We're going to give the bananas a good mash, and now we're going to add some oats. So to my banana I added some oats, and now instead of sugar I'm going to add some honey. Just going to add some more oats. So now our stewed fruit's all cooked down, and we've let it cool. So we're just going to put a bit in a bowl, and now we're going to sprinkle some topping over, and Bob's your uncle.
That looks like a proper crumble.
How's it taste?
Oh, really good.
Good?
Yeah, not too sweet.
Yes,
Nice.
good. Good.
And crumbly.